today is 3/5/23. He's welding the cap that got cut off in the 2002 Acura MDX. And they even cut the flex pipe. So we're using a Hobart 210 and we're using 110 power. So we changed the setting to third. The welding power is at 6 and the speed of the wire coming out is at 30. And how he got that is using this chart here. We're using mild steel big wire that's 0.30, and he's following this chart here. So the chart says steel 115.30, 16 gauge steel 625, is that it? Yeah, 6 and 30. Hey, how'd you get 6 and 30? Where CO2 steel?
Yeah, 140, 630.
6
gauge.
110, 630.
Yep.
Alright. And when you weld, make sure you got extra one of these brass tips here. And then he got this little trick here. Hey, are you going to use this trick today?
No.
No?
Maybe later with the other side.
Because on this side, you can take this off and use this stick.
Yeah, I'm good. Just helps me hold it in place, right?
Oh, okay.
Down the balance, right?
Yeah, so this brass stick, you can put it in there, if you could, and then when you weld, it doesn't melt through, because the metal doesn't touch the brass, so it won't splatter past it. Is that your weld?
Uh-huh.
You deposited that already?
Huh?
You deposited that amount already?
Yep. Want to give it a go, yeah?
Well, last time I gave it a go and pretty much put a hole through this thing.
Okay. Don't matter.
Did you have to clean the ground?
Uh-huh. Yep.
Do you need me to bend that with my hands?
Then what?
Take my hand and push it closer?
No, it's okay. You have to work over there and move it, right? Move it around.
How did, the gap is because it flexed it because the saw took away material.
No, it's just saw, it took away the material.
Oh, it's not like I have to bend it back?
Oh, really? Look how straight it is.
And look, they even cut this bolt here.
Crazy, right?
Somehow their saw couldn't get in there for some reason.
Maybe that's
whatever saw they're using.
Uh-huh. You got your mask on?
Yeah.
Okay.
So are you making E or Z patterns?
I'm just tacking it.
Oh, you just like put it on and then turn off?
Yeah. Just
So tacking these pretty little puddles?
uh-huh.
So, okay. It's kind of like TIG welding then.
Yeah, we'll add the metal, so it doesn't, you know. I think the idea for me is that it doesn't burn too so easily.
It feels like the 110 is enough to do this job.
Yeah, so this is pretty thin, right? We can give it a go after I stitch it a little bit, yeah?
Okay.
You don't want to bead along this right here? Just retrace where I fixed it?
You want to put a bead across so they can't cut it or what?
No, just reinforce the bead.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you want me to do it? Got
Yeah,
it.
give it a go, dude.
Okay.
You shouldn't be able to burn through the bead.
All right, put the phone down.